Hello, and welcome to Tech Classes with Houston Public Library. I'm Jasmine, and today I'll be guiding you through the steps of creating your very first presentation using Microsoft PowerPoint, an application that allows you to create dynamic slide presentations. These presentations can include animation, narration, images, videos, and much more. By the end of this class, you will be able to identify the basic functionalities offered by Microsoft PowerPoint, which includes adding slides and modifying text, create a presentation, add graphics and multimedia to your presentation, print your presentation in different formats. Are you ready to begin? To get started, begin by double-clicking on the Microsoft PowerPoint application icon to open it up. When you open PowerPoint for the first time, the Start screen will appear. From here, you'll be able to create a new presentation, choose a template, and access your recently edited presentations. From the Start screen, locate and select Blank Presentation to access the PowerPoint interface. Presentation is just a fancy term for file used in the Microsoft PowerPoint setting. Each of the pages you add to the presentation is referred to as a slide. If this is your first time using Microsoft product, you will notice that there are different functionalities separated by tabs on the ribbon, which is a special term of a series of groups of options on a menu bar. One of the tabs you will see is Home, and when you click on it, you will notice different sections such as Slides, Font, and Paragraph. This is the tab that you will probably be spending the most time on when you are working on your presentation. Make this tab your best friend. There are different page setups, which is called Layout, in the Microsoft PowerPoint world, and these are interchangeable, so you don't have to stick with a single layout when you open the application. Click on the Layout icon from the Home tab on the screen and click on the one that you would like. Since I am creating the first slide, which is the opening, I am going to keep it simple and keep it the way it is. The title page, which is usually the first slide, is highlighted with the title slide on the right. Choose a blank slide if you just want pictures for your first page. Next, we're going to add some text and use that as our title, and then we're going to click on the box below and add more text as a subtitle. Next, select the text in the top box where it says click here to add title. Click on B for bold to make the text a little thicker. And click on the down arrow next to the font menu to select a font to change how the text looks. To make things a little more interesting, we are going to change the font color. Highlight and select the subtitle text. Click on the down arrow next to the font color to see more colors and click on your color of choice. Congratulations! You have just completed your first slide of your very first PowerPoint presentation. Now that you have the first slide completed, let's try to add a couple extra slides by clicking on the New Slide button on the Home tab. Click on it once to make sure that it is inserted properly, then click once again. Feel free to add 2 or 3 more, and you will notice that the slide now says Title and Content. If you don't like how that looks, feel free to choose another design. You can always add and modify elements and then go back to edit it later. The key is keep it simple. Just as a reminder, if you don't have a lot of text, make sure you add some additional textual content on the slides to accompany your pictures. To start typing, simply click in any of the boxes until the next cursor appears. In most cases, Microsoft PowerPoint has simple text that says, click to add title or click to add text. Before we add some thematic touches and additional background to complete this beautiful presentation, how about adding a final slide with a picture or graphic? To do that, we're going to click on the Insert tab. If you don't have a picture at the moment already downloaded to be inserted in the presentation, click on Online Pictures from the Images section. You will find that there are many categories, so feel free to click in the search box and type in something to find the image you would like to insert. Type a keyword and hit the Enter key on the keyboard to get the result of the search if you are not looking for something specific. There are a wide variety of images in PowerPoint. Click on the image that you would like to insert into your presentation. To add the finishing touches to your presentation, you can add some extra design in 2 simple steps. Click on the Design tab to select the themes you wish. There are additional designs you can download from Microsoft.com. Scroll left and right to browse the current themes. Click on the one that you wish to use for your presentation. You can even change the color scheme of the themes. To do this, simply click on the Colors icons in the Design tab and click on More if you want to customize more colors. And there you go! You have completed your first PowerPoint presentation. Congratulations! If you want to edit your presentation further, add a slide or two more, feel free to pause this video and make your edits as necessary. You may now be wondering, what should I do if I want to print my presentation out? Good question. Even though PowerPoint presentations are designed to be viewed on a computer, there may be times when you want to print them. PowerPoint offers several layouts to choose from when printing a presentation. The layout you choose will mostly depend on why you're printing the slideshow, and to see each of these, click on the File tab and then select Print. Then, the print pane will appear. Then you choose the desired printer and the pages you would like to print in the Print Range search box. Next, you can choose the desired print layout and color settings. There are 4 types of print layouts. The first one is full-page slides, which prints a full page of each slide in your presentation. This layout is most useful if you need to review or edit a printed copy of your presentation. The second one is Notes page. This prints each slide along with any speaker notes for the slide. If you've included a lot of notes for each slide, you can keep a printed copy of the notes with you while presenting. Other times, you may want to print the outline. This print layout prints an overall outline of the slideshow. You could use this to review the organization of your slideshow and prepare to deliver your presentation. Finally, you may want to use the printing option Handouts for your audience. This prints thumbnail versions of each slide with optional space for notes. This layout is especially useful if you want to give your audience a physical copy of the presentation. The optional space allows them to take notes on each slide. Once you make your selection, click Print. So, you're probably wondering, is this all to Microsoft PowerPoint? For today, you have made the first step in creating your first presentation. But if you want to learn more, there are many more resources out there via the Houston Public Library. If you're looking to expand your learning with more advanced courses furthering what you have learned about basic PowerPoint today, you can access lynda.com with your MyLink card. Use your MyLink card number and PIN to log in and start learning today. If you're interested in learning more, check out our full list of classes. If you need additional help getting started, call 832-393-1313 to speak with one of our friendly and knowledgeable librarians.